In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a contact as top contact in PayPal. If you regularly send money to the same people, setting someone as a top contact can help make that person easier to find in the future. It's a simple way to keep your most important or most frequently used contacts more accessible inside your PayPal account. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. To begin, make sure you're already signed in to your PayPal account and you're on the main account area. From there, look for the Send and Request section. Go ahead and click on Send and Request. This is the area where PayPal lets you manage money transfers and access the people you've interacted with or saved as contacts. If you don't immediately see everything you need, just give the page a moment to fully load before moving on. Once you're in that section, find the option labeled Show All Contacts and click it. This will open your full contact list, which is helpful if the person you want isn't already visible in the smaller preview list. Showing all contacts gives you access to your complete set of saved contacts, making it much easier to locate the exact person you want to prioritize. Now, browse through the list and click on the contact you want to mark as a top contact. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct person, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. Opening the contact's details is important because the top contact option is tied to that individual contact entry. After selecting the contact, look for the option that says Mark as Top Contact and click it. Once you do that, PayPal will update that contact's status so they can be treated as one of your priority contacts. This can be useful for faster access later, especially if this is someone you send money to often. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully marked a contact as a top contact in PayPal. If you ever want to organize your frequent contacts for convenience, this is a quick feature worth using. Just remember that contact layouts can sometimes vary slightly depending on whether you're using a browser or a different version of PayPal, but the overall process remains the same. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you follow the process clearly and easily.